Hey guys, we're back. We got some cool plate presentation tactics, but what I'm really excited about is I've been growing Vidalia onions the last couple months, and what I did is I taken a baby Vidalia, roots and all, and then I would fry and bread it. And you wouldn't think that the roots from an onion are really that good, and they are just crazy good with the onion flavor and the roots. It really makes a good garnish. So again, the Johnny cake, a little bit of smoked cheddar, cornbread batter, Vidalia onion, green onions, and then we're going to top that with a little bit of the brisket. The brisket we smoked for, goodness, it was about this time yesterday when I put it on the smoker. 3 brisket. This is a plate for 3, obviously. A little bit of lettuce to garnish. The chicken skewers. Always present in odd numbers. 3, 5, 7. Doesn't it look great? Then barbecue sauce, homemade, jalapeno, local honey. Voila. A few of the Vidalia onion skewers. And then finally, remember our knife skill class, we're going to do just a little bit of the green onion scapes for garnish. Just like so. That's a hefty portion, isn't it? Gabby, you going to be able to eat all this? Oh, hold on. We forgot the garnish. Gabby's hot dog. Everybody needs to do a part, don't they? Guys, we'll see you next week. We got a killer, fantastic strawberry shortcake on our video for next week. Thank you so much.